Hi, good evening. It's me, the Great Kiwinoy. I just want to give you an update with my backyard gardening. As you can see, that's Bokchoy. I harvest several times. I took leaves yesterday, that's why it looks like that. Yeah. So as you can see now, one is having flower, and soon it will having seeds. And here's my eggplant. As you can see there, it's lot of bulaklak or flowers. Yeah, nice. I hope before winter we're having fruits ready to harvest. Alright, and this is my kangkong. And harvest already several times. I cut that one, and then it creates leaves again. And here's my other cactus, and there's the succulent and other flowering plants. And here's my obnoxious weeds, but my wife wants it, so we'll keep it. And here's my other plants. This succulent looks healthy, like and this one as well. They look healthy. And this cactus, yeah, and I have a bokchoy here as well, or Pechay. And this money tree, they're having a lot of leaves in it. And ito yung aking celery. They're having a lot of flowers. And then after that, they were having seeds. I'll keep it the seeds. And next summer, I'll plant it. And we have another Pechay here. And here's my lemon. It leaves all green. It looks healthy. Yeah, here there's another Pechay, and besides with succulent. And here's another plants. I can't remember what sort of plants this one. Okay, and this is my mint. So I have to replant this where I put more box in it. Maybe next month when I'm free. And here's my tomato. So they have a lot of fruits. Yeah, there. But the problem, because we don't have much rain, so the leaves are dying. So that's why I put water morning and evening. I have another eggplant here. So there's a lot of flowers in it, and hopefully before winter we can harvest. So we can harvest some of it. Yeah, and here's my hanging plants. Looks healthy as well. And here I have another talong or eggplant. So yeah, hopefully we can harvest before winter. Yeah, there's my succulent, another flowering plants. Um, here is my beans. It looks sick, but they have some flowers already created. Soon, hopefully, we can harvest some of it. Yeah, there's a flower in it. Yeah, and there's some flowers in it here. Yeah. So there's another eggplants here. There's an eggplant and another bokchoy there. But I still need to weed or remove the weeds. I'm just busy for a couple of days, that's why I was not able to remove all the weeds. Hopefully I can do it Sunday, because I have something to do tomorrow. Yeah, so there's another start to ripe. Alright, so then I'll go to the other side of tomatoes. Yeah. So here we are. That's another tomato backyard. There's a lot of ripe fruits already. Marami na siyang hinog na kamatis. So again, nalalanta na yung kanyang dahon dahil don't have enough water. Yeah. So I put water morning and evening or afternoon, but still the same. Nalalanta sila. But they're giving me a lot of fruits. So this was a big one. And this one's hinog na. Yeah. And this one. Alright, thank you so much aking mga subscribers, viewers, for watching my videos. Just give you an update with my backyard gardening. It's up to you to have comments if you think there's any progress with it. Salamat sa inyong lahat at magandang gabi. Ngayon ay 7:45 PM o gabi na, pero dito sa New Zealand ay maliwanag pa. Didilim na bandang alas 8, alas 8:30. Pero sa ngayon maliwanag pa rin. Ganyan pag summer dito sa New Zealand. Okay, thank you so much for your time, and thank you for watching my video, for giving me supports watching this video. Thank you. Bye for now.